Funding for this program is made possible by the Corporation of Public Broadcasting and viewers like you.
What's up guys, TJ back again with another video. Guess what I got in the mail? Yeah. It's from this website called Temu. What that means is Temu is kind of similar to eBay, but you get to buy stuff that is percentage off, like 90% off, 80% off, 70% off, 60% off, because if they got good prices, you get to add them to your shopping cart. But however, you can only buy them when they're up to $10, because buying stuff that's less than $10, nope. But you can still buy it, but you gotta make sure the prices, your total price goes up to $10, and then you can buy it. So I'm only just giving Temu a try. So this is an unboxing video to see what I bought at Temu. Yeah, I know it's been a while since I've been doing a unboxing video, because the last time when I did an unboxing video, I unboxed my cosplay back in April. It was 2 months ago or 3 months ago. That's when I was unboxing my Ryu cosplay. So my unboxing video is back again for more. And now it's time to see the reveal of what's inside this package right here that I got from Temu. Alright, here we go. Oh, what do we have here? Ooh, something red. Oh, sweet. Looky here, looky here. Ooh, look at these boots. Looky here, looky here. Wow, look at these. Boots. Red boots. Just like Boots the monkey on Dora the Explorer. Yeah, check these out, guys. These are Red Astro Boots. Yeah, I've seen Seth Rollins wore these boots. And Boots the monkey has boots kind of similar to these. Yeah, because I watched Dora the Explorer. You know, because Boots the monkey wear these kinds of red boots. And now let's try them on. Try these on. They fit. Now the other one. Look at that, check it out. I love my boots, yeah, you and me. I love my boots, yeah, you and me. I love my boots, yeah, you and me. Look at these red boots. They feel comfortable, don't they? Look at these red boots. Have you ever seen red boots like these before? Look at these red boots. Yeah, look at these red boots, guys. They look nice. Yeah, so those are my Red Astro Boots. Red Astro Boots. They're already sold all over Amazon, eBay, even Temu. So if you guys want to go get these red boots, go to Temu or Amazon and get these Red Astro Boots. I already got them already. So It's not too late to get these red boots. They are so nice. Beautiful. I'm gonna keep them for a while. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. If you guys want to find out more about Temu, well, go to the Temu app and go check it out. Yeah, the Temu app is orange, so make sure you go check that out. So you can buy whatever you want, but only if they got good prices. That's like 50% off, 60% off, 70% off, 80% off, 90% off, or something like that. But remember, each time when you buy stuff on Temu, make sure that the total amount is up to $10. Because if you only buy just one thing, that's not make it to $10. Well, you gotta keep adding more. Gotta keep adding more items so that way the total price will be up to $10 or more than $10. So I'm gonna end this video right here. So thank you guys for watching this video. For more future videos, make sure that you click on the subscribe button and the notification bell. I'll see you guys on the next video. And let me know in the comment section down below about these Red Astro Boots that I've got. I'm giving them a 11 out of 10. As always, keep it real, my friends, and stay in school. Bye bye.
Damn it. Fuck, this is hard. I keep losing my place. Oh, this one's really hard. Damn it. No! Why do I suck so bad? Ugh. Farts. Fuck. Ah!
Funding for this program is made possible by the Corporation of Public Broadcasting and viewers like you.